In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in ClickUp. 2 methods. Welcome. If you're trying to keep your workspace tidy, surface the right tasks fast, or communicate priority at a glance, tags are a simple feature that makes a big difference. I'll walk you through 2 straightforward ways to add tags in ClickUp, starting from a list and then from inside a task. Along the way, I'll point out how to create multiple tags, choose from the built-in color palette, and even set a custom color so your tags match your team's style and priorities. Let's begin on your main workspace and head to the area where you organize your work. Open the space and folder you're using, then switch to the list you want to work with. If you're already in list view, you're exactly where you need to be. This is where your tasks live, and it's the perfect place to add tags that will appear right next to each task name. For the first method, stay in the list and move your cursor over the specific task you want to label. As you hover, look for the tag icon. It looks like a little price tag you'd see on an item in a store. Click that icon to open the tag panel. In the field that appears, type the tag name you want, then select Create to add it. You can repeat the same action to add another tag right away. Type the next tag name, choose Create again, and keep going until you've added everything you need. This is great for quickly assigning multiple, clear labels like priority, team, or context. Now let's tailor how those tags look. Within the same tag panel, select a tag to open its color options. You'll see a palette of preset colors you can pick from. Choose the shade that best communicates your intent. This makes your tags pop in views and filters. If you want to go a step further, open the custom color controls. Here you can fine-tune the exact hue and saturation to match your brand or visual system. Adjust the selector until it looks right, and then save your choice. Your tag updates instantly, and you can repeat that for any other tag in the list panel. Color can be more than visual flair. It helps your team read tasks at a glance. For example, a bold red can signal heightened urgency, while softer tones can indicate lower priority or a different category. By being deliberate with your color choices, you create a shared language that speeds up triage and reduces confusion. When you're finished setting colors, make sure to save your changes where prompted so the new appearance sticks. That's the first method done, adding and customizing tags from the list view. It's fast and ideal when you're scanning multiple tasks and want to tag several of them in one pass. Now let's look at the second method, which works from inside a specific task. Click the task name to open its details. In the task panel, find the tags area. Click into the field, type the name of the tag you want, and either select it if it already exists, or create it the same way you did from the list. You can immediately add another tag here as well by typing the next name and selecting it. The process is identical. The difference is that you're doing it within the task itself, which is perfect when you're focusing on one task and want to add or refine its labels without leaving the detail view. Just like before, you can adjust tag colors right here in the task panel. Pick from the preset palette or open the custom color controls to dial in a specific shade. When you're happy, save your selection. The task will now display your tags with the updated colors, and those updates will be visible back in the list too. Both methods are interchangeable and produce the same result, so use whichever fits your workflow in the moment. A few practical pointers as you set this up for your team. Keep tag names short and consistent so they're easy to scan and filter. If you're using tags for urgency, align on a color convention so everyone reads them the same way. For instance, red for urgent, yellow for in progress, and green for ready. If you're using tags to indicate departments, deliverables, or campaigns, pick colors that are distinct enough to stand out from one another. And remember, you can always return to a tag and change its color later if your system evolves. Once you have tags in place, they become powerful across views. You'll see them in lists, boards, and search results, and you can filter by tag to narrow down exactly what you need. This saves time, keeps your workspace organized, and helps teammates immediately understand the context of a task without opening it. Over time, a well-structured tag system makes reporting clearer and daily prioritization much faster. To recap, you've learned 2 easy ways to add tags in ClickUp. First, from List View. Hover over a task. Click the tag icon, create your tags, and customize their colors, including custom shades, then save. Second, open the task itself. Add your tags in the tags area and customize colors there the same way. Both methods are quick, consistent, and flexible, so choose the one that fits how you're working in the moment. That's it for this tutorial. Adding tags will help you organize your space, streamline how your team reads tasks, and make your workflow more effective from planning through delivery. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.